Good morning and welcome to CS 110 A20. This is a computer literacy course. I'm the instructor, Dr. Sean Scott. Now at this point, because you're watching this video, you've already clicked on Start here. We'll go ahead and go there. I just wanted to note that within an online environment, it's somewhat anonymous. So I have this short video out here so that you can get to know me a little bit. I'll get to know you through the discussions. This is the particular link that you clicked on. Okay, what this course is about. This course provides a broad introduction to computing, including computer and information technology concepts, economic and social implications of technology, database management, spreadsheet and word processing, and presentation applications. Okay, so that's what this course is about. Some concept, but a lot of skills. Now, the prerequisite skills being knowledge and technology. When you come to this course, you need to have some basic writing skills. We do some, especially in the beginning of the course, quite a bit of writing, not extensive writing, but you need to have some basic writing skills, and the expectation is for you to use standard English, including proper sentence structure, grammar, paragraphs, and we also have, if you have any issue around that, we also have the Academic Support Center, which can help you through some of those writing skill challenges. Okay, excuse me. Technical skills. Now, this is an online course, and so it's kind of funny to be teaching computer literacy through an online course. And we can do this, but you need to have some really, really basic technical skills first. So it's imperative that you have some skills such as manipulating files commonly used in word processing systems. And we can get you through that. We can get you by that if you have any questions. You need to be able to use email properly. You need to be able to do discussions and attach files to discussion posts. You need to be able to email messages, be able to submit assignments, and complete searches on the internet. So you must also be familiar with Canvas. So Canvas is this learning management system, and here's an online tutorial if you need any assistance with that. You also need reliable internet access. So as an online instructor, it's critical to have daily access to internet check-in on classes. So I guess I would say that you need to be able to check on or check into our course nearly daily, and or every other day at least, to kind of see. I'll post announcements every other day or every third day. There'll be announcements around grading. There'll be announcements around what to expect in the upcoming sections and when the due dates are. So be sure to log on a couple of times a week, 3 times a week. Now, we do have minimum hardware specifications, and you can find those at this link. Pretty much any browser will be able to go ahead and be okay with this. Be okay with this online course. Netiquette, it's the behavior in online classes, so go ahead and take a look at that, review that. Now, my response time. I stay in pretty close contact with my email, so if you just email me a question or message me a question, I should get back to you within 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes at the beginning of the week things get really busy, so maybe your expectation might be 48 hours. Over the weekend and towards the end of the week, I tend to spend more time with our course, just kind of the nature of the way courses work out, and so that's the expectation, is for me to respond within 24 to 48 hours. Now, this says I intend to have all module assignments graded no later than 2 days after the module assignments are due. Sometimes I have these assignments due at the beginning of the week, like on Monday or Tuesday, and quite honestly, I probably am not able to get to grading those until Thursday, Friday, or Saturday, probably Friday or Saturday. So that might be just a little more than 2 days typically. Let's see, navigation. It's imperative that you know how to get around our course. Now, there's a general video on Canvas navigation and a course site navigation. This is a short video on how to get around our course, where the links are, where the modules are, and so on and so forth. Also, now, go out and review the syllabus, and there's a short syllabus video as well. Check out the course description, the course objectives, the course structure, and just so you know, just to share that this is an environment where you need to act as an independent learner. Again, logging on 2 to 3 times a week. We have discussions that you need to interact with the discussions and participate. I'll interact and participate with you. I won't reply to every single discussion, but I'll reply to many discussion posts. Um, I'm here to facilitate this course more than anything. So you really need to act as an independent learner, and you can learn a ton out of this course, but that's your role, is to be that independent learner. Now, step 3, get your books. Our text is Computer Concepts and Office 2016. So the text, as I scroll down, the textbook and the ebook is recommended, and it's Computer Concepts and Microsoft Office 2016. And it does include Snap 2016, but we will not use Snap. So it has 1-year online access. So you can get codes via email, and this is the ISBN and link to go ahead and get the book from, the ebook from. That's probably the best option, or, and I'll just jump down here, textbook only without data files. So if you want to go a little less expensively, you can go ahead and get a used textbook. This is the ISBN number if you go out to Amazon or someplace to find a used textbook. And I have all the PowerPoints, the student data files, all of the assignments online. So you'll be just fine if you want to go ahead and grab a used paper textbook rather than an ebook. So either option is really just fine. With software, we're using Office 365 Pro Plus, so of course the Office suite is Office 2016. You can get by with a Mac and a Mac OS in this, and the Mac Office in this course, but it's not recommended and it's very difficult. So Word kind of works with the Mac Office environment. Excel kind of does. Students get by mostly with that. The Mac Office environment does not have Microsoft Access. That's the database program that we'll use in the 5th module of our course. And then, of course, we have PowerPoint. So if you are going to use a Mac, you can kind of get by, more or less, but especially think about it right now. You'll have to find some other solution for the Access module, the Microsoft Access module, and that's worth about 18% of our course. Okay, so just be really aware of that. You can go ahead and download Office 365 Pro Plus for free, and it's all good. Now, enter a short biography in the discussions module, so click on this link and go ahead and add a biography. I've added one of my own already. And tell us a little bit about yourself. Share what you feel comfortable sharing. That's just a good way for us to get to know one another in an online environment. Finally, our modules will cover computer concepts, Windows, web, and email, Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, and so this is our schedule around that. We have, like from computer concepts, all the assignments will be due Monday, February 4th. Windows Web Email, Monday, February 11th. So it's kind of a short unit, and it'll be due pretty quickly. So you have to just jump right on that and get that done. Word, we have our main Word assignments due Wednesday, February 27th, with the project due Monday, March 4th. And you can see with Excel, Access, and PowerPoint, we have our main assignments, and then a project due just a little bit later. So with that really is our getting started. Take a look at those things, do those things. Check out the syllabus, do the short bio, get your books, think about the modules, and then click into computer concepts. And this is our first module, so go ahead and start working through that, read the directions, and we'll see you online. Thank you.